Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. I'm also going to show you how to make resin cups for pens. Sometimes, like when I've been in the market, people ask, do these have cups? Because they don't want them to write in the bag. This becomes reusable and refillable. So let's make a cup for it. For this, we're using straw. So we're just going to heat up the straw a bit so that it can go over, so that it can go over the pen. Then I show you what we're doing. Right, so just heating it up. So that it can expand. When we put it in, it can expand and go in freely without burning. And then we heat it up a little bit more, and then we come and hold it like this so that it sticks together. Now you can even remove the pen. And then we're going to use this heart on our cup. It has cured. I want to show you how we'll put this in. And if you like this content and find it valuable, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. Or follow me on TikTok or Instagram at Juliet Migwe Inspire so that you can see more designs and more colors of these and even more charms, different ways of doing charms. Just grow with me as I grow. God bless you, Barakatele. We'll see you next time, because I know after this you will be gone. All right, so here is our pen cover. Look at that, just like that. Check on Instagram and TikTok to see how the set of this, the bookmark and the keychain, look when they're together. God bless you.